In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split and merge cells in a Word document. Whether you're working on a report, a table of contents, or any standard table, mastering these techniques is essential for creating professional-looking documents. Let's dive right in and start with learning how to split cells effectively. First, open your Word document and navigate to the table where you need to split cells. Begin by selecting the specific cell or cells that you want to split. You can do this simply by clicking in the cell. If you're working with multiple cells, click and drag your mouse across the desired cells. Once you have them selected, look to the ribbon at the top of your Word window. Here you will find the Table Tools tab. Make sure the Layout tab under Table Tools is open. In this Layout tab, focus on the Merge group. Don't worry, we're not merging cells right now, but this is where you'll find the Split Cells button. Click on Split Cells and a dialog box will appear. This is where you decide how you'd like to divide your selected cell. You can specify the number of columns and rows you want. For example, if you desire 2 columns and 1 row, enter those values. It's similar if you're thinking of splitting into 1 column and 3 rows. Once you have entered your desired configuration, hit OK. Word will automatically divide the original cell into the number of columns or rows you requested. Keep an eye on the content within your cell. Typically, it will move to the top left cell within your new configuration. Depending on your Word version, you might need to adjust the content distribution to fit your needs. Next, let's explore how to merge cells in a table. This is a great way to combine information across a document. Start by selecting 2 or more adjacent cells that you want to merge. It's important that these cells share a border. Click to select, or click and drag your mouse over the cells if you're selecting multiple. With your cells selected, go again to the Table Tools and the Layout tab on the ribbon. Here within the Merge group, click on Merge Cells. Instantly, your selection will transform into one single larger cell. You'll find this useful for unifying related data or creating a cohesive section header. Alternatively, after selecting the cells, you can right-click the selection and choose Merge Cells from the context menu. This offers a quick, alternative method to achieve the same result. Once merged, you may need to tinker with the alignment of your content or adjust the formatting. This could involve centering the text or tweaking the row height to ensure everything looks just right. The finished product should be clean, organized, and visually appealing. That's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now feel more confident when working with tables in Word. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.